To me, pickup trucks are a lot like warehouses. They don't have a lot of architectural value, but they have a lot of space and a lot of utility. Take this F-150, for example, the best-selling truck in America. It tows, it hauls, it does everything you need. But does it really need to be $51,000? Let's explore what's behind this particular F-150 and what makes the F-150 the best-selling truck in America. When you lift the hood off of a full-size pickup truck today, you expect to find a V8, maybe even a high-output diesel. What you don't expect to find is a twin-turbo EcoBoost engine from Ford, a 3.5-liter V6, has direct injection and really gets as much horsepower as a V8. Now, there are many engine options for the F-150 line, and they really are all very viable and very potent. Just a little side note, GM, the #2 pickup truck company in the country, they have a whole new line of trucks coming with a new V6 and 2 new V8s that are all going to be direct injection. So we definitely see a trend of smaller displacement, higher output, and of course, more fuel efficient engines and transmissions in the near future. You know, if you're not spending a lot of time using this trailer hitch and this bed area, then you probably shouldn't buy a pickup truck. But if you are, great. I got some good news for you. You know, Ford has this man step, which allows you easier access into this bed area. And after all, you got to be able to get in and out of here quickly, and Ford makes it that much easier. There are several configurations available for the F-150. The most important is how the inside is configured. So in this cab area, you can get a regular cab, which stops here at the B-pillar, the extra cab, which is what you see here, and then there's the crew cab, which is 4 regular doors. For many people, a pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle utility truck. And this particular one is an FX4 off-road vehicle. It's designed for people who want to go outdoors, experience some great outdoor activities like mountain biking and hiking, etc. You can put a lot of stuff back here. You can tow, you know, a house behind you if you want to. It's got a ton of torque and a ton of horsepower. But above all, it's also got great fuel efficiency for a truck of its size, over 20 miles to the gallon on the highway. The interior of these pickup trucks has really become more of a place of creature comforts. In fact, I've seen the new GMC and Silverados, and they're even nicer than these. And to me, these were the nicest pickup trucks on the market to date. So they're really pushing the limits of what you can do on the inside of these trucks. You can see the big, large navigation screens. You've got great amenities and just a lot of room. They're not the best driving vehicles, but they are utilitarian, you know, heavy body-on-frame trucks, and this is a great time to be shopping for a truck because not only do you have great vehicles from Dodge, for the first time really, Dodge, F-150, a perennial favorite, you got the new Silverado and Sierra coming, and you know, Tundra is no slouch, so a lot of great options. Starting price of these trucks is really like $24,000, so very base for a rear-wheel drive, you know, base F-150, but they can top out at, you know, over $60,000 for a King Ranch. This F-150 with the FX4 package is certainly one of the more upscale trucks and one of the top picks for full-size, fun, exciting, luxurious utility trucks you can buy today. Ford has made driving a pickup truck extremely easy. In fact, just about anybody can do it. The steering, transmission, suspension, everything has been improved tremendously over the last couple of decades, where these used to be vehicles that only, you know, blue-collar guys would drive, and you really had to kind of plan ahead when you were going to turn, because the steering was so unresponsive into what they are today, which is really great driving vehicles. So if you need the utility, a pickup truck makes a lot of sense. You're going to pay at the pump, but you're going to get rewarded with unlimited utility.